Let's explore the Fabric portal by logging into app.fabric.microsoft.com. We can see 7 personas including industry-specific data solutions. On top, we see the settings. It shows tenant level setting option like admin portal to manage Fabric tenant settings, manage your Fabric connections, and you can manage other settings too. Use the help option to raise a support case or get tenant info like home region of your tenant, etc. Click on help improve Fabric to give your feedback. Use Fabric switcher in the lower left corner to switch different personas. Click on any persona. My workspace, this is a default workspace for all users. Choose or create workspaces for new workload. Real-time hub provides one place to manage all data in motion for your organization. Monitor shows execution status of pipelines, data flows, and notebooks. One Lake Data Hub enables data domain use and allows to access the item shared to you. Browse shows recently accessed resources detail. Create enables to create any persona related items. Homes takes you to selected personas home page.